Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So friends, in this video we are seeing the latest open kitchen design ideas for 2024. So friends, when it comes to kitchen design, one of the most important is whatever. You can go for open kitchen plan or closed kitchen plan. Both styles have their own unique advantages and choosing the right one for your house. And kitchens have been always integral part of houses since we love home cooked meals. While the concept of kitchens designing has evolved over the years, there are certain factors to consider before you can pick which kitchen design is best for your house. Open kitchen design is novel way to keeping the kitchen is heart of your house and letting designing the cook part of the happening around. When it comes to the kitchen design, whatever you go for open kitchen plan or closed kitchen plan. Both styles their unique advantages and choosing the right one for your house and its project depends on various factors. First one is the enhanced social interaction and open kitchen plans foster a sense of togetherness and connectivity. It's allow for seamless interaction between family members and guests, making it ideal for entertaining and social for while cooking. Increase natural light and space, remove walls or no partitions. It's an open kitchen plan allow to natural light flow freely, creating airy and spacious ambience. This design choice, creating airy and spacious ambience. This design choice can make smaller spaces appear larger. And flexibility and functionality. And open kitchen plans offer to versatile allowing to combine your cooking, dining, and living areas. These layouts encourages flexibility lifestyle and facilities of multitasking. And privacy and concealment. A closed kitchen plan provides privacy keeping cooking activities. Privacy and concealment. A closed kitchen plan provides privacy and keeping cooking activities hidden from guest or formal dining areas. This design is particularly adventurous for those who prefer to separate space to focus on meal preparation. And noise and odor control. Closed kitchens can effectually contain noise and food smells, preventing them from spreading throughout the entire living space. These features can be beneficial for those who are closed kitchens. Organization and storage. Closed kitchens often to offer more wall and cabinet space, allowing for increased storage and organization option. This layout can be advantageous for those with extensive kitchenware or who prefer to clutter-free cooking environment. And ultimately, the choice between open plan kitchen and closed plan kitchen it depends on individual preferences, lifestyle, and specific needs of the households. It's essential to consider factors such as the size of the space, the desired level of social interaction, and the overall aesthetic and functionality to wish to achieve. Open kitchen plans encourage of socialization and provides open light-filled space while closed kitchen plan. Kitchens have been always integral part of houses since we love our homes to cook meals. While the concept of kitchen designing has evolved over the years, there are certain factors to consider before you pick which kitchen design is best suited for your house. Open kitchen design is novel way to keeping the kitchen the heart of your house and letting design the cook part of the happening of arounds of yours. And traditional closed kitchen says restrict space with four walls and doors that gives privacy and both occupant insides outside the room. And open modular kitchens is more informal space where conversation can take place while cooking and the area is continued with dining or living space. Open kitchen allow to enjoy your guests, interact with family while you enjoy your cooking session. It makes your home look more spacious, has a no walls and no entire space for open agility. The area looks bright as well, ventilation of the lamp, ample light and coming from the windows and enjoying the room. It's also perfect to chance to showcase of your lovely kitchen floor tiles, kitchen wall tiles to your guests. And cooking involves tadikas and spices for outdoors, which will spread out of enjoying the aroma. You would have to clean up after every cooking session, as the mesh can be clearly in the open kitchen. The heat generated in the kitchen will